How to set up remedē device pre and post MRI scan for remedē models 1100 and 1600. This video will focus on how to set up a patient's remedē device for an MRI scan and how to restore patient's remedē device settings to pre-MRI scan following an MRI for remedē models 1100 and 1600. The first part of this video will explain how to prepare a patient's remedē device for an MRI scan. Before doing this, make sure you've checked the MRI scan patient checklist and confirm that the device is eligible for MRI scans. If you need more details, please refer to the MRI checklist video. Here are the steps to get the remedē device ready for an MRI scan. Step 1. Interrogate the device. Step 2. Check set electrode pair impedance and all unipolar pair impedances. The read impedance icon is available in several locations. However, for this video, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the Tools pull-down menu positioned at the top left-hand side. Click on Tools and proceed to Read Impedance. Simply select the electrode pair and press Read Impedance. To conduct unipolar impedance measurements, designate electrodes 1 through 4 as the cathode for a left lead and 1 through 6 for a right lead, while maintaining the anode as a can. If you see an impedance reading less than the minimum lead impedance or more than the maximum lead impedance set within the device, please contact your Zoll Respicardia representative. This range can be found under the Stimulus tab. The minimum impedance will vary. However, any impedance reading greater than 2500 ohms, please contact Zoll Respicardia. This is a stimulated patient and therefore will read out of range impedance. Once the impedance testing shows all readings within range, move to the next step. Next step is to turn off the remedē device. Navigate to Mode, select Off, and press Program, followed by 4 simple steps back to back. Set Time by selecting Set Time in the Time icon. Interrogate the device. Remove the wand from the patient and select End Session. An alert box will appear stating the following reports were not downloaded. Do you want to continue? Select Yes. End Session will create multiple PDFs. The important PDFs for this session will be Initial Pre-Settings PDF and Final Post-Settings PDF. Once every box has a blue check mark, select OK and exit out of the programmer. As mentioned previously, make sure the patient takes the signed MRI scan checklist document with them to the MRI appointment. The second part of this video explains how to restore the remedē device settings to pre-MRI scan and turn therapy back on after the MRI scan. Remember, you don't need to use the same programmer for the post-MRI scan as you did for the pre-MRI scan. Here are the steps for restoring the remedē device after the MRI scan. Interrogate the remedē device. An alert box will appear stating the device is in therapy disabled state due to the detection of a magnetic field. Select OK. Then proceed to turning therapy on by navigating to Mode, select Therapy, and Program. Important to note that even though the History tab states Clear Magnet OK, the operating mode is still reading as magnet in the summary screen. Simply re-interrogate and you will notice the operating mode now state Therapy. Before proceeding to the final steps, take a moment to review the device parameter settings. Perform the last 5 simple steps back to back. Select Program. Set Time by selecting Set Time in the Time icon. Interrogate the device. Remove the wand from the patient and select End Session. Same alert box will appear stating the following reports were not downloaded. Do you want to continue? Select Yes. End Sessions will create multiple PDFs. The important PDFs for this session will be the Initial Pre-Settings PDF and Final Post-Settings PDF. Once every box has a blue check mark, select OK and exit out of the programmer. For more information on the remedē device MRI conditional labeling, refer to the Zoll Respicardia marketing document MKT3150 MRI Frequently Asked Questions document. This video reviewed how to set up a remedē device for an MRI scan and how to restore remedē device settings post-MRI scan.